A journey into the extraordinary. Have you ever wondered what makes something truly fascinating? Is it a hidden mystery, an unexpected twist, or perhaps a story so compelling that it pulls you in from the very first moment? Today, we're diving into a topic that will captivate your mind and keep you glued to the screen. But before we get started, let me give you a shout out for being here. By clicking on this video, you've proven that you're someone who values curiosity and the thrill of discovery. You are important, and your desire to explore the unknown is what makes you extraordinary. So, let's embark on this fascinating journey together. 1. The Psychology of Fascination. Why we can't look away. Have you ever found yourself unable to tear your eyes away from something mesmerizing? Dr. Silvia, a psychologist and author of Exploring the Psychology of Interest, explains that our brains are wired to seek out and be captivated by novelty. Whether it's a new idea, an unexpected story, or a complex puzzle, our minds crave the thrill of the unknown. This is why certain content, like the one you're watching now, can grab and hold your attention so effectively. By engaging with this video, you're not only feeding your curiosity but also nurturing your brain's natural drive for discovery. 2. The power of storytelling. How stories captivate us. Stories have been a part of human culture for thousands of years. As J.K. Rowling, author of the Harry Potter series, once said, "There's always room for a story that can transport people to another place." The power of a well-told story lies in its ability to evoke emotions, create connections, and leave us with a sense of wonder. In this video, we're not just sharing information. We're telling a story that will resonate with you long after the screen goes dark. You, dear viewer, are an integral part of this story, and your engagement is what makes it truly come alive. 3. Unexpected facts that will blow your mind. Let's get into some mind-blowing facts that are sure to fascinate you. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood? Or that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. These unexpected truths are not just interesting trivia, they're reminders of the incredible world we live in. By being here, you're showing that you appreciate the wonder in the world around us. Keep that curiosity alive, it's one of the most valuable traits you possess. 4. The science of intrigue. What keeps us hooked? According to Daniel Kahneman, Nobel Prize-winning psychologist and author of Thinking, Fast and Slow, our brains are drawn to things that challenge our expectations and stimulate our thinking. This is why we find certain topics or ideas so captivating. They push us to think differently and question the status quo. In this video, we're exploring ideas that challenge conventional wisdom and encourage you to see the world through a new lens. Your willingness to engage with this content shows that you're not afraid to think deeply and explore the unknown. That's what makes you stand out. 5. The joy of learning. Why curiosity is your superpower. Albert Einstein once said, "The important thing is not to stop questioning." Curiosity has its own reason for existing. Your curiosity is what brought you to this video, and it's what will keep you learning and growing throughout your life. By watching, liking, and sharing this video, you're not just absorbing information, you're embracing a mindset that will help you navigate the world with wonder and wisdom. You are valuable, and your curiosity is a powerful tool that will lead you to endless possibilities. Conclusion: you are extraordinary. As we wrap up, I want to remind you once again just how valuable and important you are. The fact that you've taken the time to explore this fascinating topic speaks volumes about your character and your drive for knowledge. Remember, you have the power to make every day a discovery. If you found this video as intriguing as we hoped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more mind-expanding content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep being curious, keep exploring, and never stop seeking out the fascinating wonders of the world. You are extraordinary.